Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something that's going to pique your interest. Imagine making money while you sleep. It's not a dream anymore. In this video, we're sharing 10 lazy ways to make money online while you catch those. So grab your notepads because you won't want to miss this. Watch till end of the video to know all the ways to make money while sleeping. 10. Real estate investments. Real estate investments. Invest in rental properties, and you'll receive rent checks regularly. It's like having your own ATM that never sleeps. 9. Invest in stocks. Our ninth method is a classic way to grow your wealth investing in stocks. Use investment apps or platforms to buy shares and let your money work for you, even while you're in dreamland. 8. Create a mobile app. Number 8. Developing a mobile app. It may sound complex, but it's a great way to make money while you snooze. Once it's in the App Store, users download, and you earn from ads or in-app purchases. 7. Rental income. At lucky number 7, we have a smart move listing your extra space on Airbnb. Guests pay to stay, and you pocket the cash without lifting a finger. It's like having your own mini hotel. 6. Write an ebook. Number 6. If you have a way with words, consider writing an ebook. Publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, and every time someone buys your book, cha-ching. Money in your sleep. 5. Create an online course. Sharing your expertise is number 5. Create an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once it's up and running, your course can sell itself, giving you passive income and freedom to enjoy your sleep. 4. Dropshipping. Have you heard of dropshipping? At number 4, you don't need to handle inventory or ship products. Just set up an online store, connect with suppliers, and let them do the heavy lifting. Your online shop runs 24/7, so you can make sales while catching some Z's. 3. Stock photography. Number 3, if you're into photography, don't let those stunning shots go to waste. Upload them to stock photography websites and get paid whenever someone downloads your pics. It's like making money from your art while you're snuggled up in bed. 2. Passive income from YouTube. Now, for the penultimate method at number 2, become a YouTube sensation. Start a channel, create content, and as your videos rack up views, you'll earn ad revenue. The best part? Your videos keep making money even when you're deep in dreamland. 1. Affiliate marketing. And finally, the number 1 method that takes the cake: affiliate marketing. Our top pick among digital entrepreneurs. It's as simple as recommending products you love, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Lazy, right? Just find your niche, share your insights, and let the money roll in. There you have it, folks, the countdown of the top 10 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. Remember, these methods won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort. So, which one are you going to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fantastic money-making tips. Until next time, sweet dreams and even sweeter earnings.